video, we'll write the solution to the n queens problem. So this function is going to take three parameters. It will take the array, it will take the row, and it will take the number of queens. We need the array so that we can modify if in case if that queen can be placed in that particular position, we need to set it to 1. So that's why we need the array here. We need the row so that we can identify which row we need to place the queen in, and this n is the number of queens, so we can do the iteration for the number of columns. So let's start writing the code. So if first what we need to check if the rows are completed. Okay, if it is completed, then we need to return true. We have already found the solution. Okay, so what we'll also do is we'll print the solution as well. This is the function. We'll write it at the end of the video. Okay, now we'll write the for loop for the columns. Okay, so for let column is equal to 0, column is less than n, and column plus plus. Okay, we'll loop through all the columns of that row and check if we can place the queen in that particular column. So what were the parameters that we are passing? We are passing the array, the row, the column, and the number of queens. So you can check here. Okay, so if we can place, then what we are going to do is we will set the array at the row position and the column row and column position to be 1, and if we also need to check here if what we are going to do is we are going to call the n queens again for the next row. Array row plus 1 and n. So if it returns true, so if this entire function returns true for the next set of row, then we're gonna return true. Else if this does not return true, then again we are gonna set this to 0. Now what this means is, what this piece of code means is, I'll give you an example. Okay, so we put 1 here, and in the second iteration we put 1 here, and in the third case we were not able to put 1 anywhere. Okay, so we were not able to place the queen here because of the attack here from here. We were not able to place the queen here, here, and here. In all these three cases it was the attack from the second queen. So what we did was we always made these to 0. Okay, and we went back. So we went back and we placed this, we changed this. This is what is happening here. Okay, so if it cannot place, then it will set it to 0. So if this n queen array of this row plus 1, what I explained in the third row was this set of code. Okay, and when it did not return true, we made this to 0 and we proceeded with the next column. So that is what this set of code is. Now if this does not return true, once this is completed, we will return false. Okay, so this is what the function, this is what the main n queen function looks like. And in the next video what we'll do is we'll call this function and we'll write the code to print the solution for this function, and we'll check the output.